Hi guys, it's Shreya here and welcome back to my channel, My Perfume Diaries. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about this perfume called as Intimate Musk from the house of Nuana House of Luxury. This is how the perfume looks like and I am going to cover everything about this fragrance. So let's begin with the review. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, you've hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is My Perfume Diaries. So find me there, come and chat, let's get to know each other. And now let's get started with the video. I have my notes ready in this journal and I've written everything about this fragrance. All my observations and my complete review is penned down here. So let's begin with the packaging first. So this is how the box comes in. It's a white and rose gold box with details of Nuana like brand written here, and the variant name is mentioned on top here. Then here you have all the packaging and manufacturing details. Now this one is a 50 ml box and this is available for the MRP of 1499 rupees, currently on sale on nuanaluxury.com, and it's almost available under 1000, like around 799 rupees you can find this fragrance. So I say this is the best time to purchase Nuana fragrances because they are on massive discount. They are also available on Amazon, so you can check there as well. Then the perfume comes in this package, like this is a reusable cloth package, and the perfume is nicely sitting inside a pouch, so well protected, does not get any scratches, and it kind of is a reusable pouch. You can keep your spectacles or stationery items in here, or the perfume itself. And then this is how the bottle is. It's a nice thick glass bottle with a sticker on top with details mentioned here, and from here there is like transparency. You can see how much perfume you're left with. Textured cap with a textured rim, and this is the atomizer. So do you see how clean and minimal the packaging is? And that's exactly how the brand also reflects themselves. Nuana House of Luxury is a clean and minimal fragrance brand. Their perfumes are free of phthalate, parabens, artificial dyes and colorants. And the best part is that their perfumes are almost 4 to 5 weeks macerated, so you will not get that initial alcohol blast in these fragrances. The quality is amazing with a mindset of making clean fragrances. These are skin friendly and you can definitely apply it on skin and clothes. And I, being a person who has sensitive skin, I always get that burning sensation, but with these fragrances I have never experienced that discomfort. So I'm very happy with the quality and overall pricing. They literally provide affordable luxury in my opinion. Their fragrances perform really well in Indian weather. Now let's get back to Intimate Musk. Now this is how the sprayer is. It's a nice pressurized sprayer and diffuses the product really well. Now coming to the scent profile, as the name suggests, this is Intimate Musk. This is something which is very close to skin. It's kind of like my skin but better kind of a fragrance in my opinion. Something which is very intimate, very close, and the kind of fragrance that makes people feel that you naturally smell this good, and it kind of draws the attention through that manner. This is not loud, it's very soft. It kind of enwraps you in this very beautiful, delicate, musky, floral fragrance and gives you a very crisp, clean girl vibe. This is very soft, delicate, feminine, and something that is perfect for office wear because this is super non-offensive fragrance. That's the overall scent profile on this one. Let me share the notes breakdown. This has a very crisp and a very fresh opening of African orange flower, some osmanthus and bergamot. All of these three notes give it a very fresh, very crisp, very out of the shower kind of a freshness, a vibe to it, and just has that perfect clean girl vibe because of that. Then it goes into a soft musk with some warmth of amber. The musk and the amber again contribute to that clean girl vibe in aspect of this fragrance, and amber brings in a soft hint of warmth in this fragrance. Then you have vetiver, patchouli and vanilla. Now vetiver and patchouli in this bring it a certain amount of depth in this fragrance, and vanilla kind of like softens everything up and wraps everything up in a very soft blanket. The best suited time to wear this is like morning hours or after shower or office time and hot summer days and very casual occasions. I could just see myself like meditating and drawing my calm energy and wearing something like this and smelling something like this, which is very calming to the senses and literally feels like a very quiet fragrance in itself. This one definitely has some resemblance to Narciso Rodriguez for her, I think Musk for her, and it just has the same vibe of, you know, very crisp, clean, right after the shower, very intimate kind of a fragrance. Now this perfume is available in 3 sizes on their website. 100 ml is priced for around 2k, and in discount you'll get it around 1199. Then 50 ml, which is this bottle, is available at 1499 rupees, and you can find it at discount at 799 rupees. And similarly, you'll find 20 ml, which is priced for 499. Currently on discount, you'll find it at 299 rupees. So if you want to be experimental and see how this fragrance works for you, maybe you can go for the 299 variant. So Intimate Musk is best suited for people who are not looking for loud fragrances. They are looking for fragrances which are close to skin, they have a very clean girl vibe, and something that does not trigger their headache or migraine. This is the kind of fragrance that you should go for. In the summers, if you don't want too floral, too citrusy, too zesty or marine fragrances, but you still want to go with that soft clean girl vibe, Intimate Musk is the way to go for. Now be mindful that the performance of this fragrance definitely depends on the number of sprays that you go for. If you are somebody who wants to make it super long lasting, then go a little bit overboard with the number of sprays. Overspray and then slay the day, and then you will be able to get around 6 to 7 hours of longevity. And with lesser number of sprays, like around 6 to 7 sprays, expect a longevity of around 3 to 4 hours. The projection and sillage on this one is mild. As I said, this is a soft fragrance and this is appropriate for office setup. Not every fragrance has to scream. Some fragrances work their way softly and they keep projecting softly, and this is just like that. It literally is very light and airy and kind of gives me an impression that you're like standing in the clouds where the cold clouds are, you know, passing by you. You feel that coolness, you feel that breeziness. It's light, airy, and very comforting in a way. If you like what you see, make sure that you hit the like button. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is myperfumediaries_. Come and say hi, let's get to know each other and let's share our passion for perfumes there. So thank you so much for watching. That's it for today's video, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next one. Bye.